Welcome back to Wabi Sabi Adventures at 50. Today, let us talk about a beautiful hill station, the queen of the hills, Darjeeling. What is your memory of Darjeeling? 1969? आराधना, बाबू मोशाय, जिंदगी बड़ी होनी चाहिए, लंबी नहीं. Watch this.
मेरे सपनों की रानी कब आएगी तू, आई रुत मस्तानी कब आएगी तू.
Hi Barfi, that is 2012. Darjeeling and the toy train. Well, I went to Darjeeling last year in 2024. Let me show you how Darjeeling is different now. For years, Darjeeling was my dream destination, you know. एक ऐसा सपना जो आंखों में बसा था बचपन से. A picture perfect paradise woven into the fabric of my childhood through cinema. The toy train chugging up the misty hills. The colonial charm, the bustling mall road. This was the Darjeeling I had longed to see. But when I finally made it here, मेरा दिल टूट गया. The queen of the hills is no longer wearing her crown, you know. The moment I set foot here, something felt off. The roads leading up to Darjeeling were not just winding, but wounded, cracked, broken and neglected. ये वही Darjeeling है जिसे फिल्मों में देखा था. The beauty of Darjeeling was buried under rubble, debris, and an air of neglect. Had time truly stopped here, like the frozen hands of the clock tower? Yes, they don't move, you know. समय के साथ बदलना जरूरी है, पर यहाँ तो समय थम सा गया है. Once a proud landmark, the clock tower now stands strangled, choked by an endless web of wires. Its beauty dimmed by the chaos that surrounds it. गाड़ी चल तो रही है, पर शहर रुक गया है. What once marked the heartbeat of Darjeeling now echoes a silent cry for help. You know, I had imagined the Mall Road as a lively boulevard where the spirit of Darjeeling thrives. Instead, I found bins spilling over, streets littered with plastic cups and plates, and a fountain that had long stopped dancing. The water green and layers of dust on the marble. Just like the city's lost splendor. हमने क्या कर दिया है इस हसीन और खूबसूरत हिल स्टेशन का? How did we let this happen? Why did we exile the queen from her own kingdom? But in all the despair, there is still life, you know. The people of Darjeeling are warm and welcoming. उम्मीद की किरण अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त. The hills, although hurt and wounded, still hold that untamed beauty. Maybe all is not lost. Maybe there's still time to bring Darjeeling back. Darjeeling deserves better. It deserves to be loved, cared for and restored. Not just by the authorities alone, but by all of us. Travelers, visitors, dreamers. Let's not leave the queen in exile. It's time to bring her back home. I hope you find Darjeeling in better health and spirit than we did. Our hotel misadventure began with the Summer Palace, which we booked expecting proximity to the Mall Road, but ended up in what felt like a dungeon, prompting an immediate shift to another hotel. It is so bad, guys. If you are looking for a reliable accommodation, consider the Udaan Group, which offers budget-friendly to ultra-luxury options with good service and vegetarian food. This is a brand you can trust. We had a pleasant stay with them in their Sikkim properties. For a more luxurious experience, high-end options like Summit Properties, Ramada, the Taj and Mayfair Hill Resort are also available. When it comes to food, Glenaries, Caventer's, and the Kunga restaurant are well known, but we stumbled upon a offbeat gem. It's charming. The Tom and Jerry Cafe, serving delicious meals. Don't miss it if you are in Darjeeling. When will you answer to the call of Darjeeling? Where the golden sunrise paints the Kanchenjunga, the world famous Darjeeling tea, and the mist which rolls down like an old friend hugging you with love. Listen to the whisper of the mountains and the chuk chuk of the toy train. Let the adventure begin, guys.